So it's windy. So walk. Pretty sky. I don't like wearing booties with sneakers. This is what happens all the time to me. I don't know why. I will upgrade. Get out and walk. Body, 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 body. Get out and walk. 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 Hello again. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you stuck around since my first video, welcome back. I am, sealing my microwave. Someone was so nice in the comment to let me know about sealant because I completely forgot about that. So I went to Walmart. Every sealant they had did not work on metal. So I'm like, I see why people don't paint their microwaves. But I went on Amazon, got me a spray. So I'll be opening that today, and it said work for metal, so I'll be painting it with my Sherwin-Williams. I got for, I think it was $27. I waited till sale. There's a sale going on right now. It was after the 8th, so. But this I got before at another sale. I think I bought it in July. But anyway, this is the creamery. Creamy? Yeah, it's creamy. So I'm going to put that, see if it'll work, and I will be using one of those little rollers. So hopefully it will, the paint will stick. So I'll paint that and then go on a little walk. I might take you guys with me, or you'll just see a little snippet in there of what I do on my walks. Nothing spectacular, but I love to walk. It's my favorite hobby. I wish I can go to Yosemite and just explore that mountainous area. But I used to watch Court TV a lot. Yeah, they found a lot of murdered women there, so I just don't know if I should go by myself. But I want to go by myself. But anyways, let's get to painting. Let me show you what this is. Oh, unsafe act. Cutting towards myself. Not good. All right. This is what we got. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. Ultra cover. Seals, protects, and revitalizes. So, wood, metal. Yes. Okay. Let's get to it. I do stuff. Maybe I'll catch some kitties walking. Who knows? The other day I was walking and I walked by an elementary school. Not exactly by it because I have to turn down the trail before I get to the school, but it's like right there. But this little boy, I just saw this heap of stuff on the ground. I'm like, what is that? And here is this little boy just laying on the sidewalk. I'm like, what? I'm like, what? And so I kept walking and I got closer and I'm like, he got up. And I was like, are you okay? He's like, yeah. So I just turned and left because, I ain't going to be messing around in no school. Okay. So I just, left and went to the right. But I wanted to be sure because he was just laying on the ground. I was like, did he fall down or something? Yeah, I'll just stick to my walks. But anyways, let's go walk. Next time you see me, you'll probably see the little stuff I did during my walk, and then come back to this, and I'll probably be putting the sealant on. Almost done with this. Almost. It's only taken me, what, 6 months, 6, 7 months now? Okay. I got these from Temu, and I figured it's getting colder, so I got these with full soft 4-pack fleece line leggings with pockets for women, high-waisted thermal winter warm yoga pants. Well, workout run. I don't run. So, let's see how they fit. I got to choose 6 gifts free for my iPhone, but I still have to pay, I think it came to $67 for 3 other things. So I thought, that's not bad. I'm getting 6 free gifts. Just hoping they're worth what this money's worth. They feel like my regular leggings. I don't know. They feel like they do. Seem kind of small for me. Look at it. Which is a front. I thought it would be like white, you know, on the inside. I don't know which side is the back and which is the front. I don't know. Maybe it's this way. All right. Next time you see me, I'll be in these. They're very soft, I'll say that. I hope I don't have it on backwards. Nice deep pockets. My pants are crooked. But they are warmer than these, which these are Walmart. I think they were like $4.98. Okay, I'm going on my walk. I like to wear hoodies because I want to get warm and get all that sweat out. Get the toxins out of my body. That's what I believe. It's just harder to do when it's cold. Because you just don't really warm up. But this is the weekend. I don't do extra exercises. I just go and walk. I don't stretch or anything. I used to work here. 2017. Yeah. 2018. 2018 is when I started. Yeah, I walked out of that job. I wouldn't even tell my worst enemy to work sanitation. Don't do it. Just don't do it. I can't say that. That's from my experience. Yeah, never again. All right. I'm trying to look for a better hoodie. One that's thicker. Made for winter. But I'm doing things on a budget, so it's taking me a bit. I got these for $25 at the shoe sensation here in town. The cheapest sneakers in there, so I don't know how long these will last, but better than the ones I have now. I'm ready to go. I don't know what kind of shot that was, but it is what it is. All right, see you later. Get out and walk. 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 Walk it out and walk. 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 Walk it out and walk. Get out and walk. I got an upgrade. I still don't like shoelaces. They come untied all the time, and I hate tying my shoes, and I hate untying them. So, but it's what I could afford, $25. Save your money. Well, that failed. Am I faster than a horse? Such a pretty tree. Too bad the house is there. I wish it was all by itself. It's pretty cool. Oh, now I gotta walk slower. Don't want to walk past them and scare them, poor thing. You get out there, Gramps. You get on. Get out and walk. I just noticed something. I wish the sidewalk could go right between them trees, but it doesn't. I've been walking for over a year, and I just noticed that. Hey! Get out and walk. You'll see things. Back for my walk. Just so you know, let me show you. Can you see it? The paint still didn't adhere to it too much, so I am not going to worry much about it. For some reason, the paint just will not stick to it, so I don't know. Well, next video is me finishing off, taking off the caulk from around the sink countertop, and then putting down the peel and stick wallpaper on there. Finally gonna get to do it. Thanks for sticking around or coming back and watching. If you're new here, subscribe. If not, watch another video. Go watch DIY for Rebecca Robinson. That's my girl, Rebecca Robinson. Mr. K too, I love her. She's very creative. Enjoy. Get out and walk. Oh, that reminds me. The tights that I got from Temu, they are warm. They're very warm. I love it. And they didn't even move or, slide down. I really like these tights. I might buy some more. Only for the winter, though. Get out and walk. Subscribe.